me, babies. Olson the dad on the loose on the prowl here at Sawmill. Barber shop right there. Backs off, goes to the crosswalk. Oh, follow the IT. Back in downtown Olongapo. What am I doing in Olongapo? Go and see my girlfriend. Go see my girlfriend. Don't mind me. Alright, over there is the Victory Liner station. I was just here last night. Should have handled my business last night, but I didn't. Therefore, back in the saddle again. Back in the saddle again. Can I make it? Yeah. Go with this young lady. I'll make it across. Okay, folks, welcome to Olongapo. Man, it's like coming home. It's like being home. Yeah, nothing against Angeles City. Great place to live. But Subic Bay in the Philippines feels like home to me. I'm damn glad to be back. Back like a bad dream. I'll be honest with you, I'm missing Thailand. But if I'm here in the PI, this just feels like home. Can't explain it. Feels like I've been resurrected, back into action. Beautiful stagnant water here. Need to get that thing flowing. Okay, over to the left side of the aircraft is the SM. And when I say the new SM, it's two SMs here. This is the newer one, the new one. Right here with this little park here with the fighter jet. Next to the Olongapo Civic Center. I like them little short jeepneys like that are wide open. They're so much cooler. The longer ones are very claustrophobic. You got so many people in there. Make sure you sit at the rear if you're claustrophobic. SM City, Olongapo Central. Beautiful SM there. One downtown, well, the other one is okay, but this one's much better. It's my personal opinion. Come across here, try not to get run over. Thank you, sir. There you go. SM City, Olongapo Central. Can't wait to take the crew in there, check things out. You know, that's probably a good video to do, but I'm not sure how much I could show you. Is take them to a movie. Take all these kids, Big Pumpkin, Janice, the whole crew over there, take them to a movie. See how they like it. We'd probably be the noisiest people in the movie theater if I had to guess. It'd be very noisy. Okay, this place right here is Meet and Eat, beyond the boundaries of taste. Eat and drink all you can buffet. $2.99 and $2.99. Looks like they got some specials or some type of promotion going on. $2.99, that's less than $6 US. No, yeah, $2.99 is less than $6. So pretty good deals on. Oh, sorry, buddy. On that buffet back there. Looks like they had a crowd in there, so must be some good food. Olongapo Electricity Distribution Company. And coming up on the Eurotex Foam Shop. If you're gonna get one of these little mattresses to put on the floor or what have you, get the Eurotex. We bought so many of the cheap ones, the cheap foam things to sleep on. They fall apart pretty quickly. But you buy the Eurotex, you're gonna pay a little bit more, but they're much more comfortable and they'll last a long time. But again, the cheap ones, you get what you pay for. This place called Sunrise Furniture Shop right here. If you're looking for some furniture, solar, CCTV, alarms, the water refilling station. Still trucking. And what's missing on this walking tour is what? Is Janice. Janice used to like to walk. I looked at her a lot. Rocking it out in there. Tarps, canvas, posters, stickers, laser cuts. Coming up on the Petron. Let's check the fuel price here. Downtown Olongapo. 90.90 on the turbo diesel. Diesel max 87.90. Extra advanced 84.20. And, you know, full house, but nothing out of the ordinary. With the situation in Iran, who the hell knows what's going on over there? Stay tuned for my next live broadcast where I break it down in simplicity. Okay, this is Olongapo National High School, off to the left side of the aircraft. Okay. Design Fusion Furniture here. So if you're looking for furniture, there's some furniture shops. More Eurotex foam. Like a little computer shop. Shoes. Dentist office. Now I'm at 15th Street. Coming up on Sunday Brew Cafe. Little car wash here. Taking a break, looking at, staring at the cell phone. Zombies, cell phone zombies. Yeah, pretty cool. Sunday Brew. 77 pesos. Shirts, printing shop. So if you need some business cards, t-shirts printed up, any of that stuff. Veterinary clinic on the right. More Eurotex foam. There's a t-shirt shop. More furniture. Bedding. I want to know what street I'm on. I'm on Rizal Avenue, 14th Street. Exactly where I'm at. Sometimes I forget to put it in there. I always know where I'm at. Got the sense of direction of a cat. Across the way, they got all kind of lighting and chandeliers, interior design, furniture. So lots of furniture shops in here. Additional tools made affordable. Is that Inco? Ooh, barbershop. I'm gonna hit that barbershop right when I come out of my business over here. Oh, Converge right here. My business handle. Got me a fresh goopit. Walked around a little bit. Forgot to turn the camera on. Let's head back over here and jump a Jeep at the bus station. The old lady and the kids are hanging out with Janice. See what they've got planned. You can see if it aligns with my plans. Alright, little musical cars. Give them plenty of room. Look out. Hello, sir. Saw me.
20 pesos.
20.
Bayad yung boss 164 lang. Ito yung mga bariya. Dalang-dalang. Magkano ba 164? Ano lang, 16 lang.
Yeah.
Ayan sir, dalawang balon.
So